Hi students, today I am going to explain you new chapter class 9 advanced maths. That is exercise the most important chapter, but it is so difficult to explain through video. Then also I am trying. Uh, Here, first go to exercise. Some formulas are there in this chapter. These are the main formulas. Log a base a. This one is read as log a base a. This one is said as base. Base a is equal 1. This is one of the most important formula. Then log n to the power p base a can be written as p log m base a, and log 1 base a is equal 0, and log m by n base a can be written as log m base a minus log n base a. These are the most important formula. Okay, now go to exercise 3.1. First exercise is log 6 base 6 is equal how much? Is equal 1. Simple one. Here, but here you have to write, since log a base a is equal 1. Okay, like this way. Question number 2 also same, log 0.4 base 0.4. If both are same, that means is equal 1. Then here write, since log a base a is equal 1. Okay, now see question number 3. Question number 3, that is log 0.1 base 10. Okay, it can be written as log 0.1 base 10. It can be written as log base 10 will written as 10. Then 0.1. If you want to remove this point, then here you have to divide by 10. Then simply I am writing 0.1 as 1 by 10. Okay, is equal. Now go to this formula. Now here you have to use this formula. Log first numerator 1 base 10 minus log base 10 base 10. Then log 1 base 10 is equal how much? Here we are getting log a base a. This one is equal to how much? 0 minus this one, same thing, 10 and 10, it will become 1 is equal how much? Minus 1. Like this way you have to solve this. Then rest part you try. If you got any confused, then ask me. Okay, now go to question number 2. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Log x base 2 is equal 3. Log x base 2 is equal 3. Here see one thing. Here you may write like this way. If n is equal log m by a, then a to the power n is equal m. This thing you have to understand. If m is equal log m by a, it can be written as a to the power n is equal m. Now same thing like this way. X is equal, see here this one is this m, in place of m there is x, I am writing this x is equal, in place of a here is 2 cube. It implies x is equal how much? 8. Okay, remember this thing. this base to the power this side is equal this one. Okay, like this way you have to do others. Suppose see question number 2. Question number 2 log 16 base x is equal to. It implies this x to the power 2 is equal 16. X is equal root over 16. X is equal plus minus 4. Like this way you have to do. Then I am doing one difficult question number 4. See question number 4. Log root over 5 by 0.008 is equal x. Okay, here root 5, this root 5 is equal 0.008 to the power x. Okay, 0.008 to the power x. Then root 5 can be written as okay, leave this formula. If it is required, then again I will leave. Now root 5 can be written as 5 to the power half is equal, this one can be written as 8 by 1 2 3 1 then 30 to the power x is equal 5 to the power half is equal, we can cut it with 8 1s are 8 8 1 8, then here 2 left, 20, 8 2s are 16, then 4 left, 40, 8 5s are 40. Okay, to the power x. Then this one can be written as 5 to the power half is equal, and see here 1 can be written as 1 cube and 125 can be written as 5 cube. Then 1 by 5 cube, then this x is there, just multiply x. Okay, then here this one is 5, here this one is 1 by 5. We can change it. This one written as same, then this one we can change. If you change it, if you inverse it, then it will become 5 by 1. Down there 1 is valueless. Then you have to put the negative sign. Here since this one is positive, then here you have to put what? Negative. If there is negative, then here you have to put positive. Remember this thing. Now here this one is also 5, this one is also 5. Middle there is equal sign. That means this one must be equal to this one. It implies minus 3x is equal half. Then here nothing is there. That means 1 is there. You can do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, then it will get minus 6x is equal 1. It implies x is equal 1 by minus 6. That means x is equal minus 1 by 6. Like this way, you have to do this portion. Okay, for today, there is many questions are there. All these are homework for you. If you got any difficulties, then you can ask. And যদি তোমালোকে কিবা বুজিবলৈ পাইছা, লাইক কমেণ্ট আৰু যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা। থ্যাংক ইউ।